Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an initial review of Harlem125's Lsd91 wig in the color blonde. This is what it looks like straight out the pack. I love these waves, so beautiful. This is the lace parting. It's a deep part, goes back 6 inches. I will say though, the lace is quite hard. It's not a soft lace, but this is how the cap is constructed. It's got 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Here, I'm just trying the wig on. Girl, I cannot wait to get these 42 inches on my head. It is so long. I love long hair. So if you love long hair like I do, this is perfect. She is gorgeous, honey, gorgeous. I'm 5'2", just for reference. So she was swinging way past the bootay, but I really don't mind. I love it. Here I'm just cutting the lace. I go in a zigzag motion, kind of wave it along, not just a straight line. That helps the hairline look a little bit more natural. Because, you know, your regular hairline has, you know, twists and turns and curves. It's not, ooh, straight line. I'm in here knocking stuff over. Lord have mercy. Okay, back to the voiceover. Like I said, this lace is actually pretty hard. It's not hard to cut, but it is hard to the touch. But luckily, I did not find it to be itchy. Now I'm just going in with my Fit Me foundation in the color 340 Cappuccino. I put the foundation on the inside and the outside of the lace parting. I do this for all my blonde units. I found that's the best way to make them blend for me, especially when I have makeup on or even when I don't. Now, if for here you do see a little bit of my black normal natural hair showing through because I'm not wearing a wig cap. I just wanted to try this on really quickly just to see how it was, swing it around a little bit, play with it a little bit. You know how it is when you get new hair. Yes, look at that swing action. I love wigs straight out the pack. They're just so bouncy and pretty. I wish they could stay like this, honestly. I really do. I wish they had stayed this soft, this bouncy, this pretty. I'm just trying to figure out if there's any other way I could style it, give you a little Khaleesi tease. I liked it pinned back. I'm gonna wear it like that. I thought that was cute, but yes, I love it. Let me know in the comments if you like it, if you'd like to see more wig videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.